Make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.